Have you ever thought about the texture and movement that grasses can bring to your landscape? Well, it's time to tune into the whispers of the wind as it dances through the grass blades. A thoughtfully selected grass can add a dynamic element, transforming your garden into a living masterpiece. Choosing the right type of grass can truly transform your garden. There are many types of grasses that you can choose from, each with its unique texture and movement. Let's delve into some common varieties. First, we have fescue. Known for its fine texture and year-round green hue, fescue adds a soft, lush underfoot feel to any landscape. Its movement is subtle, swaying gently even in light winds, creating a calming effect. Next, we have Bermuda grass, a robust variety with a coarse texture that's perfect for high-traffic areas. Its rapid growth and resilient nature make it a popular choice for many. When the wind blows, Bermuda grass exhibits a lively dance, adding dynamic movement to your lawn. Lastly, let's talk about zoysia. This grass type is a true beauty, with a dense carpet-like texture that's simply delightful to walk on. Its slow, graceful movement in the breeze offers a sense of tranquility, making it perfect for a peaceful garden setting. As you can see, the type of grass you choose can have a big impact on the look and feel of your landscape. So how do you choose the right grass for your landscape? Picking the perfect grass is not just about aesthetics, it's also about compatibility. You must consider the climate, the soil type, and even how much time you can dedicate to maintenance. Warmer climates demand different grass types than cooler ones. Some grasses thrive in sandy soils, others in clay. And let's not forget, different grasses have varying maintenance needs. So, do your homework. Remember, the right type of grass can add texture and movement to your landscape, making it truly stand out. So there you have it, the impact of grasses on landscape aesthetics. Remember, choosing the right grass can truly transform your space. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more landscaping tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!